Good day, everyone. This is Mr. J, and I'm here to help you out with your math needs. So let's proceed with number 5, shall we? Which states, a triangle has 2 equal sides and one angle that is 120 degrees. What are the other 2 angles? So what I've demonstrated is that I drew these 2 lines, and the purpose of those is to show you those 2 sides are equal, according to the word problem, which is the triangle has 2 equal sides. Now, the key thing with the 2 equal sides of a triangle, this is called an isosceles triangle. Now, because an isosceles requires 2 sides to be equal or congruent to each other, therefore, the angles opposite are congruent. For the sake of space, let me just delete those 2. So therefore, this angle here is x degrees, and this angle here is x degrees. Because the angles opposite of the 2 congruent sides, those 2 angles are congruent to each other. That being said, the question asks, what are the other 2 angles? So in order to begin solving for it, all sides of a triangle, no matter what it is, as long as it's a triangle, they always add up to 180 degrees. Now, how do we solve for x? Because one of the angles, as the word problem states, is 120 degrees. 1x times 1x is 2x degrees plus 120 degrees equals 180. How do we solve for x? Well, the first step is we have to cancel 120 on both sides. And I'm left with 2x degrees equals 60 degrees. Now, how do we solve for x? We have to divide both sides by 2. Whatever I do on one side, I do to the other. So the 2's cancel out, and I'm left with x degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. So the question asks, what are the other 2 angles? Because x degrees equals 30 degrees would be 30 degrees plus 30 degrees plus 120 gives you 180. So your final answer is the measurements of the other 2 angles are 30 degrees for each angle. That is your final answer. Thank you very much for your time.